Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install One UI 8.5 new Bixby on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to X and search Galaxy Techie. Look at this. Search Galaxy Techie and look at this. Galaxy Techie provide this new One UI 8.5 Bixby APK on X. Thanks to Galaxy Techie for provide this new Bixby APK. Guys, look at this. Simply tap on this link and he provide 3 APKs: Bixby Global, Bixby Live and Bixby Wake-up. You have to download these 3 APK on your Galaxy device. Guys, I download these 3 APK but I install only 2 APKs on my Galaxy device because Bixby Global not installed on my Galaxy device. Look at this. And Bixby Live and Voice Wake-up, these both APKs work on my Galaxy device. Look at this. Now these both APKs installed on my Galaxy device. Look at this. New Bixby installed on my Galaxy device. Guys, this is actually Chinese version. Then look at this. Chinese language. These options in Chinese language. If I go to setting, look at this. Setting, simply go to Bixby setting and language and voice style. You also set language and voice style. 3
Hi,
voice style.
my name is Bixby.
Hi, my name is Bixby.
Hi, my name is Bixby.
Hi, my name is Bixby.
And look at this. Now look at this. Hey Bixby.
So happy to chat with you. How are you? Hey there. What can I do for you today?
But guys, this is for now in Chinese language. Look at this. But this Bixby work perfectly on your Galaxy device. Look at this. Hi Bixby. Set my volume level on 10%. Hi Bixby. What's weather today?
I need some more information. What location are you looking for?
On Mumbai.
Today an olive shoe shop on. It is mostly clear with a high of 33 degrees and a low of 22 degrees.
So guys, look at this. This new Bixby working perfectly on your Galaxy device. But this is for now some options in Chinese language. So you also install this new Bixby on your any Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.